Hi, I want to make a short video on how to install Windows 11 on our VMware workstation. So the first thing we want to do is go to our computer and we want to go to //10.28.72.50. Go into the share folder, CNET52, and then grab this Win11 eval and just drag it over to your documents folder. All right. So then we'll let that copy. And while that's copying, let's also come in here and open VMware. All right, so once VMware is open, go File, New Virtual Machine, do Custom, click on Next, leave it at Workstation 17.5, and well, let's see if this is done yet. Okay, it's got just a little bit of time left. Now yours might take a little longer to download it.
See you tomorrow, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you. So just let that finish, and then once it is complete, then we'll hit Browse, go to our documents, and then select the Win11 eval. We're going to click Next. For the name, you can leave it Win11x64. And then here, for the encryption, just click, leave it on only the files needed to support the TPM, hit Generate, and then copy that, and then come into your Documents folder, create a new text document, call it Win11 password, and paste that into there. So whatever that is, copy it and then paste it and save that. That way we have that password, and make sure remember this password in the machine credential is enabled, and click Next. Leave it at UEFI. Change this to 2 processors, 2 cores. Change this to 8192. Leave it on NAT. Leave it on LSI. Leave it on NVMe. Create a new virtual disk, 64 gigs. So we're basically just leaving everything the way it is. And we're going to hit Next, Next, and Finish. Okay, and then this is going to start up. And when it does, be sure you click in here and then press a key. If you don't do that, it will go to the UEFI boot menu and it won't do anything. All right, so now we're going to go through the install. So we'll click Next, Install Now. Let this get going. Then we're going to hit I accept, Next, Custom, and then Next. And then we're going to let that go through the install process. This will take a little while, so I'm going to pause the video and then come back to this. All right, so now it's going to restart. We'll click Restart Now. It's going to boot up. And it's going to take a little bit of time here, getting ready. Now we're going to click on this I finished installing. And we'll let this keep going. It's taking a little longer than I thought, so I'm going to pause the video again. All right, so Here it goes back into a restart. All right, so then here's our Windows 11 splash screen. So we're going to click next or yes to the United States. Yes, US keyboard. Skip the second keyboard layout. It's going to check for updates. Right, and it's going to restart. All right, the computer's restarting again. So now we're going to go in and finish the setup. So on this screen, you want to hit sign-in options, domain join. The username we're going to use is CNET52. Password is CNET52. Password is CNET52. For the first security question, put CNET. You're born in CNET, and your nickname was CNET. And on this one, just click next, next, accept. All right, and this is going to say checking for updates. And if you got this far, just leave this running. And then while we're lecturing, this machine will finish and then we can restart. All right, and that should get us in a good spot where now we'll have Windows 11 on our machine. All right.